Thunderstorm warning!
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Paulding County in west central Georgia, northeastern Meriwether County in west central Georgia, south central Fayette County in north central Georgia, northwestern Pike County in west central Georgia, southeastern Coweta County in west central Georgia, until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 12:43 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Digby, or 13 miles northwest of Zebulon, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sonoy, Brooks, Harrelson, Alvaton, and Digby. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664. Tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At noon in Atlanta, heavy rain and fog were reported.